You?
Yes, my name is Choice of the Meet Events.
All right. So how was this training session for you?
It has been awesome. It has been so educative. I'm happy to be here, and I'm not happy that I'm leaving.
So what was your highlights?
Well, to be honest, I get to learn a lot. I met new friends. It has been such a wonderful experience, and I'm happy I took that opportunity.
All right. So would you recommend this academic to anybody?
Yes, of course, I will. I will.
And what are you going
Definitely.
to miss?
I'm going to miss my friends. I made good friends.
Oh,
I'm going to miss how we talk and laugh in class. I'm going to meet Miss Mo because she's not just a teacher, she's not just a tutor, she's actually a friend. And the experience has been so interesting. I love it.
thank you so much.
You're welcome.